friends, HubSpot's video tools have expanded a lot. Check this out. Here I am in HubSpot Social Composer, and if I click this insert video button, I see my video library, which no surprise here, they all look the same because I am a one-trick pony. And when you hover over a video, there's this details button, which if you've ever clicked it before, you got a little sidebar. Now you click it, you get a big sidebar, and it's got all these things in it. You can do this SEO optimization stuff, give it a title, you can generate some keywords, you can generate a description, you can turn on chapters if you wanna have chapters, and all of this happens automatically. Super cool. So here we get some keywords based on the things I say in the video. Here we get a SEO description based on the things I say in the video. And then if you've used this somewhere, you can see performance information. You can see this was posted to LinkedIn and it got this many views. You can see details about it here. You can choose whether it's public or stuff. And you can come in here and look at clips. Right now, there are no clips, but if I come to actions, I can clone and edit, and then I go into HubSpot's new clip editor. I get the transcript here. I can say I want a clip of this part right here, or I can trim it, or I can do whatever I want. And then I can export more videos out. This is so cool to have this much power built right into HubSpot. This is in public beta, so opt yourself in, check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.